Good morning, class. As yesterday we have completed chapter 5 of English course book, that is Amachi's Brilliant Traps. Now today we are going to start with the new chapter in our reader book, that is chapter 4, The Princess and the Pea. Today I am going to explain you this chapter, The Princess and the Pea, from your reader book. So first of all, take out your reader books and open to page number 14 in it. Chapter 4, The Princess and the Pea. This is a story in which there are three main characters, Prince, King and the Queen. And in this, the prince was finding a true princess for getting married. And for this, he travelled whole of the world and he did not find the true princess. So, now in this, the story is like this. Now let us begin with the explanation of this story from the book. So, take out your books and open to page number 14 in your English literature reader book, and let us begin with the explanation. As I have told you that today we are going to start with the explanation of, I am going to explain you chapter 4, The Princess and the Pea of reader book. So, open to page number 14 in your reader books. Now, let us begin with the explanation of this story. Once upon a time, a prince wanted to marry a princess. In this, the prince wanted to marry a princess, that the prince want to get married, but she wanted to be she had to be a true princess, but the prince was wanting a true princess, the princess who should not tell lie. So he traveled around the whole world to find one. So he traveled to whole the world to find out the princess. There were a lot of princes, but he could not find out if they were true princes. There were lot of princes were there, but he did not find out, but he could not find out the true princess. So he returned home. After that, he returned home feeling very sad. As he could not find the princess, he was very sad. One night there was a dreadful storm. One night there was a bad storm. There was thunder. Thunder was there. Means cold wind was blowing and lightning, and it rained very hard. And lightning was rained very hard. It was a very scary night. It was a very fearful night. That means the night which he had gone through was very fearful. There was knocking heard at the palace gate. Knocking was heard. That means someone was knocking at the palace gate. Now, who could be out on such a night at this? Now he was thinking that who could be out in such a fearful night? Thought the old king's servant. The old king's servant was thinking. As he went to open the gate, there stood a princess outside the gate. And as soon as he went to the gate to find out who was there, the princess was standing outside the gate. But oh, she looked so sad, but she was looking so much sad as she was lost, because she was lost. Her clothes were very wet and dirty, and her clothes were wet because and dirty, and the clothes got dirty too. Oh, please help me. I am Princess Sugar Plum. He said that, please help me. My name is Sugar Plum. She cried out. I live on the other side of the mountain and the wind blew me here. I was living on the other side of this mountain and the wind blew me here. Now I cannot find my way to my father's palace, and I am not finding out the way to go to my father's palace. The king's servant took her to the king. The servant of the king took her to the king. Now turn the page and move to page number 16. Of course, we will help you, my child, said the old king. The king said that we will help you, surely. The queen had a wonderful idea. The queen was thinking about the idea that we shall soon find it out if she is a real princess. The queen was thinking that if she could find out the princess in her and for his son, that means he was finding out the princess for his son in her, thought the old queen. She went into the sleeping room, took off all the bedclothes. She went into the sleeping room and took out all the bedclothes and laid a pea on the bottom of the bed. And she laid a pea on the bottom of the bed means she laid it that much hard that when the princess will sleep there, she will find it that some rocks were that much hard bed she laid there. Then she put 20 mattresses on the top of the pea. When she laid the pea and on that and above that she put 20 mattresses. 20 mattresses. I hope you all can see that these are the mattresses. She had laid it on the pea. The queen showed Sugar Plum where she was going to sleep, and then the queen took Sugar Plum, that is the Princess Sugar Plum, to the sleeping area. Oh my, I will need a ladder to climb that. The Sugar Plum princess said that it is so much high that I need a ladder to climb up. She said a ladder was brought in. When she said this, the ladder was brought in there. Now, I'm going to explain you the chapter till here only. I hope you all have got the explanation of this chapter. Now, homework for you all is you have to read today's topic, which I have read, which I have explained you, and if you have any queries regarding that, you can ask me. Thank you.